Hi friends, in this session we will see conceptual modeling of data warehouses. Conceptual modeling of data warehouses is nothing but schema design. First, what is meant by schema? Schema is nothing but a collection of database objects including tables, views, indexes. Here three types of schemas we will see: star schema, snowflake schema, fact cancellation schema. This schema design is nothing but for data warehouse it is a design phase. We can say why, because as in databases how the model for databases, it is the design phase for databases, for the database system designing, it is the design phase. Conceptual modeling of databases is nothing but a model. So like that, schema design is nothing but it is a conceptual modeling of data warehouses. There are three types of schemas: star schema, snowflake schema, fact cancellation schema. First, star schema, a fact table in the middle connected to a set of dimension table. The name star it came by because the schema looks like a star. Fact table is surrounded by number of dimension tables. So one fact table and number of dimension table. This fact table is surrounded by number of dimension tables. That's why it is called as a star schema. It looks like a star. Snowflake schema. Snowflake schema is nothing but it is also same as star schema. It is a refinement of a star schema where some dimensional hierarchy is normalized into set of smaller dimension tables forming a shape similar to snowflake. It is also looks like snowflake, that's why it is called as snowflake schema. Here the difference between star schema and the snowflake schema is in star schema, so one fact table surrounded by number of dimension tables. Here also same. So but here the normalization is there. So the dimension table is divided into, again it is split into two dimension tables. So that is nothing but the decomposition. Using decomposition we can achieve normalization. We can achieve normalization in snowflake schema. We cannot achieve normalization in star schema. So that is the difference between star schema and snowflake schema. Next, fact cancellation. Fact cancellation is nothing but multiple fact tables. That means two or more fact tables share dimension tables viewed as a collection of stars, therefore called galaxy schema or fact cancellation. So here in fact cancellation schema, the two or more fact tables. So two or more fact tables are there in fact cancellation schema, whereas in star schema and snowflake schema, so only one fact table is there. Here two or more fact tables are there. So these two or more fact tables use the same dimension tables commonly. Two fact tables use some common dimension tables. So that's why it is called as a fact cancellation schema. So these are the three schemas: star schema, snowflake schema, fact cancellation schema. These schemas design we will see how the star schema, snowflake schema, fact cancellation schema, these can be represented. So in a diagrammatical view, diagrammatical representation we will see for these three schemas now.